Have you ever thought this? What would we do if the heating appliances that keep our room cozy in the freezing cold of the winter months, the television that we watch together with our children in that cozy room, mobile phone which we consider to be an indispensable part of our lives, or the automobiles, buses, and airplanes that take us to our holiday resorts rapidly did not exist at all? Mankind has always wanted to recognize himself throughout this long history of adventure. It was something very valuable to recognize himself, because he would also be able to recognize the universe in which he lives by recognizing himself. For that reason, he developed a curiosity about the things around himself. He observed them, designed tools and devices in the name of survival, and producing lasting works. He discovered fire and constructed great skyscrapers. Curious men have investigated the nature, himself, and his limits. He imagined, never stopped dreaming, and run after his dreams in order to realize them. He incessantly and tirelessly worked for a better life and better tomorrows. And those curious men have founded Ekin Industrial with the slogan of New Generation Engineering in the name of achieving the best. They fearlessly produce engineering services with the aim of providing those services all over the world. They have found smart solutions and developed creative ideas because they had leaned upon a very strong dream and wanted a better world and a better future for new generations. Ekin Industrial has continued running after its dream by engaging in the production and sale of heat transfer products like plated, soldered, and tubular heat exchangers, pressurized containers like boilers, stainless takeler, accumulation tanks, expansion tanks, hydraulic separators, air separators and deposit arresters, package systems like entrance to the apartment flat, heat stations, pasteurizers, and varieties of pumps, for the purpose of providing long-running engineering services to HVAC, industry, navigation, geothermal industry, food industry, and energy sectors. MIT heat exchangers produced by Ekin Industrial have come to the fore in the field of heating and cooling and managed to be the first name that comes to mind in this field in a short time thanks to their advantages like economic and robust structure, the availability of wide services and dealership network, and compliance with international standards, and the ability to transfer heat with a very high efficiency. Ekin Industrial, which had not sufficed with these advancements, has contributed to the world market by developing eye-catching innovative designs in the field of heat transfer products, pressurized containers, liquid transfer products, and package systems. MIT brand products, the production of which is based on the principles of quality and robustness, have become the most preferred products in the sector by differentiating themselves from the other products in the sector. Ekin Industrial has designed and produced exchangers and tank equipment for warmer buildings and premises, pumps for more trouble, free liquid transfers, pasteurizers for more hygienic solutions, and heat stations in order to be able to make a flawless heating. In conclusion, MIT aimed at being the best in the world market. MIT has climbed the echelons of success step by step for the purpose of providing a warm world to our families and new generations. Because all of its products were born for a single reason: MIT would offer a more comfortable, livable world to new generations. Ekin Industrial has managed to gain the confidence of the sector as a result of the intensive efforts of its young, dynamic, and specialized team of engineers who carry out their activities on the basis of the system of focusing on customer satisfaction and have adhered to the principles of creating values for their customers. The company has also realized high-quality production process on the basis of the principle of the state-of-the-art technology in compliance with the rules of work ethics and moral rules. That curious team with a high imaginative power has made investigations and indulged into imaginations about everything that we consider to be an indispensable part of our lives, and then designed and produced them because they knew very well that they would see smiling people when the dream which they had leaned upon had been realized, and that they would contribute to the creation of hopeful generations whose eyes are glittering and are curious, just like themselves. Ekin Industrial, new generation engineering.